Good evening, everyone. This is your teacher Farhan. I want to take you through a mathematical lesson today, and our topic today is measurement. Remember, we have done some other subtopics in this topic, which were the perimeter. We learned how to find the perimeter of irregular and regular shapes, and we proceed to the next subtopic, which is area. Now, in the previous lessons, remember we talked about perimeter of irregular and regular shapes, but in this case, when we come to area, we are going to deal with regular shapes only. So I want you to understand that in area we don't look for the area of irregular shapes, and we defined what are irregular shapes and what are regular shapes. Today I want us to start with the first shape, which is the area of a rectangle. We are going to see how we can get the area of a rectangle when given a diagram. So I have a diagram of a rectangle. The length is 12 centimeters and the width is 5 centimeters. Now, in every step in maths, what comes to our mind is the formula when we are dealing with area of shapes. So we say area of a rectangle is given as length times width. Area of a rectangle is given as length times width. So in our case here we have our length, which is 12 centimeters, and we have our width. Let me indicate that this is the length and this is the width. So the length is 12, therefore we say area is equals to, in short form, if you don't want to use this, the full meaning of L, we say area is equals to L, which is length, times width, which is, so area is equals to, what is our length? Our length here is 12 centimeters times 5 centimeters is equals to 12 times 5 is 60. So we say 60 square centimeters. Note that area is given in square centimeters. Area is given in square centimeters or meters. Our units now are centimeters. Therefore, when we get the answer, we say 60 square centimeters. I hope you're following. If I give another example here, this is a rectangle whereby we have 8 centimeters as the length and we have 4 centimeters as the width. You want to find the area of that shape. Remember, we said the first thing that comes to your mind is the formula, and the formula is area is equals to length times width. Our area is equals to, the length is 8 centimeters times 4 centimeters, which is the width. The answer, 8 times 4 is 32. Remember, we said area is given in square centimeters. Therefore, we say the answer is 32 square centimeters. Thank you so much. So our second example is when you don't have a shape. Remember the first example, we drew a rectangle on the blackboard and we looked for the area of that rectangle. Now this example is when you are given a statement that tells you about a rectangle and you are asked to find the area. Now the second example says the length of a blackboard is 15 centimeters. We are talking about a rectangular blackboard which its length is 15 centimeters and its width is 9 centimeters. The question is, what is the area of the blackboard? Now let us assume that we are looking for the area of our blackboard here, whereby the length of this blackboard is 15 centimeters and the width of this blackboard is 9 centimeters. Now remember the formula of getting the area of a rectangle. We said the area of a rectangle is equals to length times what? Times width. Our length is 15 centimeters. So therefore we say area is equals to 15 centimeters, which is our length, times 9 centimeters, which is our width, is equals to, now what is 15 times 9? Let us multiply here. We don't assume. We have 5 times 9 is 45, that is 5 carry 4, and we have 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13. So our answer is 135. Remember we said area is given in square centimeters, therefore we say 135 square centimeters. Okay, for you to find the correct answer, you must identify the key words in the question. In the keywords we have, you must know what you have been asked to look for. You are asked to look for the area. You must also find out from the statement the length of that figure and the width of the figure. Then answer the question using the formula, which is area of a rectangle is length times width. Our length is 15 and our width is 9, therefore 15 times 9 to give you 135 square centimeters. I hope you have understood and you are going to solve many problems about area. Thank you.